drive back. So we're waiting here so I can put the truck up on the alignment machine, and hopefully we get another load. Then we take off to Canada, Australia, Alaska, India, who knows where. You never know where you're going to go. Everywhere, man. All I know right now, I got to go to the restroom. Bye. Walking right now, our morning exercise.
Oh, sí, sí.
Yeah. So we just got up.
Hoy toca ejercitar la panza.
Right, we're going to work out to eat more. So we're trying to go to the restroom. All the restaurants are closed. So now let's see if these guys, Extra Mile, has gone the extra mile for us so we can buy a soda and go to the restroom. Okay, so we came over here, and as luck would have it.
¿Quieres un churro?
No, I'm fine. I don't want a churro because I'm going to make a churro.
No, es un churro.
Oh, one of those. So we saw this little taco place, and we're gonna have tacos for breakfast because we need to eat. So we're doing not the churro, but the churro. Right, a churro. We'll give you an explanation later. Oh, better yet. What does she say it is?
Ella me dijo.
Yeah, you're the one that told us. What was it? Oh, she said a churro. I thought it was chorro, like La Chorrilla in Panama. Yeah. Another one bites the dust. Okay, bye.